Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, CBGB Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin, and this is our project BMW Z3.
Today, we will be addressing the door panels.
The airbag on the passenger door has been deployed. The previous owner said this happened because the car hit a pothole.
The leather is also coming off the panel up here, which is another common problem for a Z3.
Well, let's get started.
You will need a pry tool to remove the trim panel. Here is the removed door panel. As you can see, the leather right here is coming off, and we have a couple pieces that we're going to glue down with adhesive.
Here is where the leather was pulling off. We glued it back on with some adhesive and are using clamps to help it dry. Many of the plastic bits fell off, so we glued them back on as well. Hey guys, welcome back.
It has been about 12 hours and the glue has dried. We fixed the peeling and the airbag flap. Reinstalling is the exact opposite of taking it apart. You first must wire up the tweeter, and then everything will slide back into place easily.
There you have it.
It took about 5 minutes to put in. The top channel is a little bit tricky, but once you get it started, it should go in smoothly. We put in all the trim pieces and even bought a new airbag button, even though we no longer have one. When we bought the car, the driver's side door handle was missing and wires coming out. Missing door handles are common on a Z3. We bought a new part, installed it, and now the interior looks much better.
We installed the subwoofer box, and we will talk about it in our next video.
Well, that's it for this video and most of the interior repairs on the car. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.